the iPod issue in the Southeast. The iPod issue in the Southeast is basically, as far as my understanding is concerned, is about the realization of Biafra. Is it possible for Biafra to be realized today? How? By negotiations or by going through another civil war, which we can't afford to? So I believe we should be able to negotiate with the agitators from the Southeast as far as the issue of Biafra is concerned. We believe what they need is more autonomy as far as their sub-region is concerned. That is why we propose restructuring of the country, by which we mean devolution of more powers and resources. After all, there was Eastern Nigeria in the First Republic, and they developed at their own pace and with their own resources. So I see no reason why a middle-of-the-road solution, in other words, restructuring, devolution of more powers and resources, should not be a solution to their various agitations. The agitations are in different perspectives, to my understanding. One of it is political, and political has the sense of how does the Southeast, participate in power sharing in the country. And we are in a democratic society. There is no one single geopolitical, zone in this country that on its own can achieve political power without crossing the Niger or being in alliance with other geopolitical zones. I think this is what they should begin to think. Okay, how do they partner with other parts of the country to secure political power, for their own interests or to protect their own interests? I think these are the way to go as far as the agitations for iPod is concerned. I don't know whether my running mate has something to add, being also...
The governors of Southeast have been calling on the leaders of the Southeast to speak out on the security of the zone and the unity of Nigeria. There is a new dimension that is taking place in Southeast, which is very dangerous. And it is where the communities use the name of IPOB, they video it and they will upload it to the social media and say it is IPOB that is burning the houses of herdsmen, that is IPOB that is killing the cows of herdsmen. It is not IPOB. It's the communities that are doing it. And this is very dangerous for the Igbo man. I'm talking to us as leaders to go and talk to our people to know that this is the kind of thing that can bring civil war.